Innovation for waste minimization. In this video, we will be reviewing the operational process of Becca's 17.5-gallon Solvent Saver Recycler. Load the recycler with the used solvent using a transfer pump option or pour manually. Fill the recycler bag to a couple of inches from the top of the basket. Ensure the lid is securely placed and latch is attached appropriately. If the lid is not sealing appropriately, adjust the latch accordingly. Turn the recycler on by pressing the Start/Stop button. The first run will be a testing phase. We call it dialing in the process, and might require adjustments calibrating time, temperature, or percent heat during the first few cycles. Once processing begins, clarity and continuous flow is clearly visible. After processing through the condenser, the fluid is drained into the drum or vac assist tank, can be unloaded, and is ready for use. To unload remaining residue from the recycler, remove the basket, then remove the old bag from the basket, tie it off, and properly dispose of in a hazardous waste drum. Now install a new bag in the basket and place the basket inside the recycler. Excel Cool offers an accelerated cooling option that reduces cool down time from 3 to 4 hours to 30 minutes. The vac assist option is required for some solvents or fluids with high solid content and will help reduce cycle time. Innovation for waste minimization.